מיכל, את הצצת בתוצאות קצת, נכון?
So I just measured my vitality measurements and the other measurements with Eduardo before the singing. I was pretty tired after a long week of healing 24/7 here in medical care. And so Eduardo was telling me that the fatigue and the tiredness he could see them on my score, and it was an average score. And then after the singing, when I was full of vibration of love and light, the score said 96, which is almost perfect. So it was really amazing to see it written.
מדהים שזה רק ההתחלה של התוצאות שמגיעות.
And tonight is the first candle lighting of Hanukkah, which is the celebration of light. And we like to think of this music and the singing together and the oneness of all of us, really bringing our individual lights together to one grand collective light.
We're going to light these candles for our soul and for this beautiful experiment. And well, it's hard to find words now because I really feel this in my heart. So we're just going to sing the song. Michal's going to light the candle and I'm going to bless. So we're just going to do it, right? Okay. ברוך אתה אדוני, אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר קידשנו במצוותיו, וציוונו להדליק נר של חנוכה. אמן. ברוך אתה אדוני, אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר עשה ניסים לאבותינו בימים ההם בזמן הזה. אמן.
So Michal and Shauli from Medical Care in Israel wanting to wish all our friends in Dubai, our friends in India, our friends in Canada, our friends here in Israel, and our friends in St. Petersburg. We want to wish you all, may we all have a festival of light, may we all have our hearts filled with love. And thank you all so much for participating in this wonderful, wonderful event tonight. And thank you, Tzipi, for connecting the field.
Thank you, everyone who was in this production. It was amazing. From my heart, thank you. We love you. We love all of you. We love ourselves. Thank you. Gracias. Merci.
תודה רבה לכולם בישראל. Thank you, everybody. It's a pleasure to meet you again. See you next time because we are waiting for you again. Bye bye.